Hi everyone, my name is Hannah Green. I am a sophomore cell biology and genetics major in the College of CMNS at the University of Maryland. I am a part of the Life Sciences Scholars Program, and you are currently looking at my academic showcase poster for my practicum to complete my program. So, over the past 2 semesters, I have been an intern at the University of Maryland University Health Center. I have been working very closely with the head of the pharmacology unit at the UHC to learn what he likes to call the first year and more of pharmacy school. So, essentially, what we have done over these past several weeks is every single week we did a presentation on a variety of topics. You can see these topics in the center middle of the screen. These topics include therapeutics, finances of pharmacy, metabolism and elimination, lab values, as well as some human body systems that we really delve deep into. So we would try to do a new topic every week. However, this sometimes we had to carry one topic into the following week or even 3 weeks because there was just so much information to cover. So and after we would have a lecture essentially every single week on a topic, then he would provide me with some pharmacy board exams and also some MCAT exam questions to solve. So these were super challenging for me, but he certainly led me the way through it on things that I didn't know, taught me exactly what I was going to see on these types of exams, and then essentially let me on my own to figure them out for myself. And I would come back with my answers for him, and he would tell me if I was right, if I was wrong. If I was wrong, he would send me back out and give me an opportunity to try again. So, also, I was given some patient lab values, and I would have to determine the illness causing such values. This is really important, especially if you're working at the health center or any health profession in general, to be able to quickly scan some lab values and figure out what illness a patient may or may not have. So overall, the purpose of this internship was simply just to give me a basic knowledge of pharmaceuticals, dip my toes in, see if I liked it, and then maybe even ending in a job at the UHC, applying these skills once we were able to come back on campus following COVID-19. So it actually turned out to be so much more than I had originally anticipated. I got the opportunity to create and present a disorder called pulmonary artery hypertension to the entire UHC staff. Um, so Andrew, the head of the pharmacology unit, myself, and one other student spent around 6 weeks creating, perfecting, going over this presentation that we created on PAH to eventually, in March, present this presentation. So this was about an hour-long presentation, about 60 slides in total, where we covered what PAH is, the biological pathway of pulmonary artery hypertension, incidence rates, diagnosing through imagery, how to use the Bernoulli equation in order to figure out different systolic and diastolic pressures, and finally, we ended with giving some treatment options to the staff. So overall, throughout this internship, it is still ongoing, but I have already learned so much just from being here. It continues every week. I have my next meeting literally tomorrow with him, but overall, this internship has seriously expanded my knowledge, given me a fantastic introduction to see if I truly want to do pharmacy with my life or if I want to go maybe the med school route. And again, I just wanted to thank Andrew as well as the other student who I'm not going to name for privacy sake, but the other student that I presented this presentation on, as well as the University Health Center for giving me the opportunity to have such a fantastic mentor as well as be a part of the health center in order to do this. So, yeah, thanks, guys.